explosions have been heard in Caracas, Venezuela, where it is now 3:10 in the morning there in that country, in that city. According to eyewitnesses, of the southern area of that city of Caracas, near a military base is without electricity. Airplanes are also reportedly heard in the skies over the Venezuelan capital, and columns of smoke can be seen in several areas. According to the Associated Press, at least 7 explosions and low-flying aircraft have also been heard. We've yet to hear from Venezuela's government, and of course from the White House, from our government as well. So this is something that we are speculating is U.S. involvement.